So the previous driver said that there is some issues with shifting gears, and I need to do some drive test. I check it on the PTT. There is no codes related to transmission, and I don't know exactly what was wrong with the truck, but I have to do the drive test today, see if I can replicate this problem and try to fix it. If not, I hope I can replicate it. If not, I just have to send the driver on the road and see. Maybe there is no problem and I just have some issues with that driver. So we'll see. Had my recovery from the flu. Thanks God it's not COVID. So yeah, pretty much I think I was really exhausted before going to my country, and there was kind of like a really cold weather when we arrived, and you know, all this exhaustion and cold weather kind of, and then different time zone and jet lag, everything combined, and I got some flu up there, and kind of was not a good feeling. I didn't have like a good condition to go to Samarkand, to Bukhara, but I'm glad I went. At least, you know, I went there because was a lot of memories. I had my military service in Samarkand back in 1994, so definitely very valuable memories. And I didn't go to particularly to the place where I served, but maybe next time. At least I was at the Rajasthan, you know. But like I said, it was a really short trip. It was not much time, and especially under the flu, it was not much time to go somewhere. But still, this is kind of. I hope I will go again and stay maybe for a couple of days to go everywhere I want to go, to try all food I want to try. Tashkent is definitely the best place to try, you know, Uzbek cuisine. And hopefully next week I will start working, because you know, work kind of piling up, and I'm trying to kind of figure out which way I can go with my YouTube channel. Trucking is overrated. Trucking is definitely overrated. There is definitely no money, and you know, calculate all the economics, you know, cost of the truck, cost of the maintenance, payroll, cost of the diesel, and the rate so low, it's just impossible to survive, you know, working by the regulation, by the DOT regulation, you know, HOS, you know, keep your trucking company, keep your company safe and drivers, and I know a lot of companies, because they need to survive, they just break the law. They work, you know, over. They like pushing themselves too hard. That's why we have like crazy cost of the insurance. And you know, those people is still coming and coming because they think, oh, there is still money in the trucking, but there is no money. No. And I don't know why government not controlling this. And we have a lot of situation that, you know, driver passing the CDL test without basic English knowledge, and they just, oh, okay, we will punish him, give him like 25 years, and okay, that's fine. I mean, this is crazy. It's just unbelievable how that industry is so corrupted. Nobody wants to put, you know, hands on it and make this industry, you know, kind of straight. And especially those big companies, they definitely struggling, but you know, government help them because you know, they hire a lot of people, and they don't want that, you know, big huge trucking company with, you know, 10,000-15,000 trucks collapsed, and all those people, you know, had to go late, you know, being late. So this is very crazy. I mean, I don't understand where we're heading, but this is not the road I definitely want to see in the business. I put so much effort, I put so much time, you know, stress and money, and I just it's crazy. I hope it will fix sometime, but I don't feel it's gonna be real soon. And especially people, you know, they coming to that industry. Not all of them, but many of them, with no, you know, sense being professional truck driver. They just, you know, keep in mind, you know, money. And this is not right. I mean, this industry has to be fixed for sure. I'm trying to at least do right on my business and my company, but it's hard because I know, I can tell like 80% companies, maybe even 90% companies in that industry is cheating. And it's hard to compete when you're trying to write by the book and someone, you know, doing business by the floor. You know, the market demands to work like this, and they just work like this. They just, you know, the law is just a second. That's just unbelievable. I mean, and the funny thing is, we have inflation. We have, you know, we have so much going on in economies. You know, the living cost raise it, but the shipping rates is still around $2 per mile, which was like 15 years ago, and we're still there. I don't understand how we survived. That's crazy. Okay, we're going to do the drive test. So see what's exactly wrong with that. So far everything is okay. Yesterday I did actually drive test, and I found out that there is a boost leak. So some of the clamps was not properly tie down the charge cooler pipe. So now I just want to see it's shifting okay. No visual problem with the transmission. The only problem is somehow the boost is low. Yeah. Not with it's not the boost is not going up. The shifting is okay. I don't feel any problem with shifting. Let's test it on a straight line, see, and I can show you the boost. Let's see. Nothing major, but I think the turbo must be calibrated maybe. Let me show you. It's a little bit jerking. Boost is still low. Shifting is okay, but boost is still not enough. So I guess I need to calibrate the VGT on the turbo and see if it will help or not.